the finalist, lane 8, representing Germany, 50-meter butterfly, Anna-Maria Börstler, European Junior Swing Championships, Otto Penny last year, 4th place in this event. A Slovakian girl, lane 1, Liliana Slusna, 2-time finalist, in European Junior Championships last year, Otto Penny. Julia Ullmann, representing Switzerland, lane 7. Bronze medalist in 100 butterfly last year. Clara Sophie Bayerling, representing Germany, lane 2. Emmy Hallqvist, representing Sweden, lane 6, 100 butterfly bronze medalist here. Paulina Czerpalowska, representing Poland, lane 3, World Junior Championships, 2-time finalist, junior Polish champion, and finalist in 50 fly last year. The reigning European champion with the second best time, already won championship record, goes to her, not just medal and silver medal, Lana Pudar, Bosnia-Herzegovina. And with the best time, representing Denmark, Martin Damborg, gold medalist in 4x100 mixed medley and 100 fly, silver medalist, just behind Pudar. It will be a tough race, 1 lap only. And after seeing the last 2 rounds, the prelims and the semifinals, we can declare, I guess, that between Pudar and Damborg there will be an excellent fight, and I hope that we are going to have a brilliant final here in the 50-meter butterfly final. The reigning champion Pudar, lane 5, the biggest opponent Damborg, lane 4. Czerpalowska was also finalist last year, lane 3, just like Slusna and Ullmann, achieving the 6th and the 7th place. 1 lap only, 50 fly. Let's see who had the best reaction start. Börstler, lane 8, and then Ullmann, 0.61. And now let's see, after coming up from the earth, after surfacing it, lane 4, Lana Pudar is an excellent strokes, meter by meter. And here comes the Pudar as well, now maybe a bit more than a bit close to Damborg, and Damborg maybe just for the seconds, because Pudar is unstoppable, and now she's going to defend the title in this moment. Pudar the first, Damborg the second, and Börstler, lane 8, grabbing the bronze medal, new European junior record, championship record by Lana Pudar, 26:10, and it's 400 of a second faster than Daria Klepikova's championship record achieved in Rome 2 years ago. It's the second record breaking by Lana Pudar after breaking the record in 100. Excellent. No words needed, I guess. And Pudar, just like last year, made a triple 50, 100 and 200 butterfly, the queen of the butterfly from Bosnia and Herzegovina.